In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use Hostinger's platform effectively to add a blog page to your website. This straightforward process will help you expand your online presence and engage more with your audience. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and go to the Hostinger homepage. This is your central hub for all things related to your website management. Make sure you're logged in with your account credentials to access all the tools you'll need. You'll notice that the layout is designed to be user-friendly, giving you easy access to everything you need right from the start. Once you're on the homepage, you're going to look for an option labeled Websites. This will typically be located in the main menu or dashboard area. Clicking on Websites provides a comprehensive overview of all the sites you currently manage or have hosted with Hostinger. It's a great way to get an at-a-glance view of everything you have going on. After you've clicked on Websites, the next step is to locate and select Edit Website. This function allows you to make changes and tailor your site's content and layout to suit your preferences or your brand's needs. Editing your website can be daunting at first, but rest assured, Hostinger's platform is intuitive, guiding you through each part seamlessly. Now you'll find an option named Pages. You're going to click on this to start managing the different sections of your website. The Pages section is pivotal as it displays all the current pages on your site, from home pages to contact pages. Navigating through this area gives you control over what your viewers see and interact with. Next, you'll be adding a new page. So go ahead and click on the Add Page button. This command initiates the creation of a new section for your website. Think about what you want this new page to achieve, be it sharing updates, expanding your brand, or engaging with your audience. Naming your page with purpose can help in driving traffic to it. Lastly, to focus specifically on a blogging component, you're going to click on Blog. This is where the magic happens. A blog page can be a powerful tool to share insights, educate your audience, and build a community. Hostinger's blog setup allows you to customize your entries, making it easier than ever to create engaging content that resonates with your readers. That's it. You've now added a blog page to your website on Hostinger, allowing you to connect with your audience more deeply. Remember, consistency and quality content are key to making your blog successful. Take the time to plan and create posts that offer value to your readers, and watch your online presence flourish. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough, and happy blogging.